In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save your analysis on chess.com so you never lose your ideas, variations, or notes again. Whether you're reviewing your own games or studying openings, saving your analysis properly can make a huge difference in your improvement. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple chess tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open any game on chess.com and head over to the Analysis tab on the right side of the screen. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the analysis board, you can start making moves, exploring variations, adding comments, and even drawing arrows to visualize your ideas. Take your time here and build out your analysis exactly how you want it. Now, once you're happy with your analysis, look down at the bottom of the right side panel and click the Save button. This is the key step a lot of people miss. After clicking Save, a pop-up will appear asking where you want to store your analysis. Here, you have two options. You can either select an existing collection if you already have one set up, or you can click Create New Collection to organize your analysis into a brand new folder. This is really useful if you want to separate opening prep, game reviews, or specific themes. After choosing your collection, simply click Save Again, and that's it. Your analysis is now permanently stored in your chess.com library, and you can come back to it anytime you want. Now let's quickly go over a bonus method, which is exporting your analysis as a PGN file for backup. This is especially useful if you want to keep a copy offline or share it with others. To do this, stay in the Analysis tab and look for the Share icon. It usually looks like 3 connected dots or a box with an arrow. Click on it, then switch to the PGN tab. Here, make sure to toggle on comments and highlights if you want all your notes and visual annotations included in the file. Once everything is set, click the download button and the PGN file will be saved directly to your computer. This gives you a complete backup of your analysis that you can open in other chess software or keep for future reference. And that's it. You now know how to save your analysis on chess.com and even back it up safely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.